me for a couple of super realistic days of getting things done that I've just been putting off around the house. I've been avoiding these piles of clean laundry for days, so I hope this video not only motivates you to get some of your jobs done, but also acts as a reminder that it's normal to do jobs in bits and bobs as and when, and more importantly, that not getting everything done all in one go at the same time is okay. So after avoiding that clothing like the literal plague and moving it from space to space, it was great to finally have it tackled. And then I used my folding thing, whatever you call that, to add a bit of enjoyment to the task. I'm super big on making sure that when you're doing stuff, it's enjoyable. What kind of things do you guys have that keeps you going to make things enjoyable? Like, do you have certain cleaning products? Do you set yourself a little goal? I'd love to know. I'll tell you what though, we're all friends around here, so I'm going to share this bit of information. The way I was sat on that floor was not doing my legs any favours in the boiling hot heat. If you know what I mean, you will know. And asking for a friend here, does anybody else put off jobs that they don't want to do? Please say that you do. And if so, what kind of jobs is it that you put off? I'd love to know, because I think this could be really interesting, the differences between us all. Like what I'd put off might be some of your favourite jobs and vice versa. Next up was a job that has been buzzing around my head for some time. So I decided to make most of the heat wave and clean the stairs. The thought was a good idea, and it made sense because the carpet would dry faster, but that was about the only bonus to it. So I used the Ace to Ace lint remover on the stairs. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll be aware why I use this. We have wool carpet on the stairs, and I find that it still picks up the pet hair and the general dust and dirt, but it's really, really gentle on the pile of the carpet. And let me tell you, I thought this water was gross that came out from the stairs, but wait until you see what filth comes out of the runner rug. It's next level. It's questionable. I wonder why my socks get so dirty, and I think I now have the answer. And just look at all that. And I can't even blame Nova for this. This is definitely also me and Tom. But one thing that I can blame Nova for a little bit more is the footstool. Now, this is one of her favourite spots that she likes to sit on. She'll people watch out of the window. She'll curl up by us on it when we're chilling on the sofa. And that inevitably means it gets a little bit dirty. So it just needed a bit of a spruce up. Do any of you have pets who have taken a liking to a certain piece of furniture that's now essentially become theirs, but then that also means it needs to go on your to-do list to make sure that you're cleaning it regularly, so you're still keeping somewhat of a nice standard in your home? Whilst the footstool was drying in the sun, I decided just to give the room a quick spruce up, give Nova her toy back, before heading into the kitchen. Tonight we were having a really quick win for tea. Lasagna that you just wham bam into the oven. And another thing that I really like about this is it's not only helping save me some time so that I can actually get on doing the jobs that I've been avoiding, but I can also bring in the element of doing a bit of a timer clean. So I spotted on the packaging that this bad boy is meant to take 35 minutes to cook, which meant I gave myself 35 minutes to sort the kitchen out. One thing that I would just like to say as well is I had every intention to go and clean the bathroom after sorting out the kitchen, but do you know what? I totally forgot until I got into bed that evening. I got sidetracked with my lasagna, and for full transparency, I also had a pudding lined up. Do you know what? The food just got me. I took Nova for a walk, and then I got ready for bed. And then as soon as my head hit the pillow, I remembered I was meant to clean the bathroom, and I didn't. And you best believe I was not going to be getting out of bed to clean that bathroom, because sometimes us girlies, we need lasagna, a pudding, and a good night's sleep. Speaking of sleep, it's good to see Nova was sleeping on the job. But one task that I really do enjoy, similarly to cleaning the sink, is cleaning the hob. The satisfaction is just next level for me personally. Does anybody else agree, or am I just a little weirdo over here? And for those of you who like any form of ASMR, listen to this. You're welcome. That was really quite satisfying to do on the chopping board. And I even paused my music in order to be able to record that, because that's another thing. When I'm cleaning, I personally love to listen to music. And whilst we're on a run full of jobs that we've just been putting off, it was time for these Hoover filters to actually be cleaned. Now, if you've seen any of my previous videos recently and you're a little bit eagle-eyed, you've probably spotted them on the kitchen windowsill. Guilty. But finally, I tackled it. I couldn't just stand looking at them any longer, to be honest, and they definitely don't live on the windowsill. So they finally got a clean. Will they make it back into the Hoover anytime soon? Probably not. Let's not lie. And then lastly, one thing that I really like to do each evening before work is to make sure I have my lunch, of course it's food orientated, prepped for the next day. It helps make my morning go a lot smoother. I'm up really early, sorting Nova out before getting into the office, and it's one of those things in life that is just a small, quick win. If you've made it this far, I really, really hope this has encouraged you to just go and do one job. Or if it hasn't, that's okay. Just know that you're not alone, and there's plenty of things that we all put off together in life. Take care, and I shall see you in the next one.